Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of the LED light on your controller when you're using it on Steam. So we can go to Steam settings right here and select this and go down to controller and then go to the right. And we have the option for calibration and advanced settings. Just open this up right here. And then we can go down past these settings and go to where it says LED settings. And if you're using the PlayStation 5 controller, the touchpad should be changing colors right now. I believe on the Xbox, the little Xbox light will be changing too. So you can decide the color you want. So maybe do just like an orange or a yellow light or something so it's not super distracting. And then here's the saturation, so you can get a white light if you go all the way to the left, or go to the right and you get the pure light. And then you got the brightness for the LED right here as well. So you can just lower it to save a little bit of battery. So maybe I'll put it at like 50% or maybe like 30%. You can see it get dimmer. And then it says player slot LED when multiple controllers are attached. You can just mess around with this. But look at this as an option. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.